Hey guys, it's Nikki here and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. This video is going to be kind of quick. I'm just going to show you how I repurposed these flowers that I used for a flower board for an event that I did. I took these flowers, and like I always say, never throw your old flowers away. I've used these flowers so many times, and I wanted to change over my spring and summer decor, and I'm just showing you what I have for summer, and I will be doing another video for when I change over my room into fall colors, which is coming next week. But as you see me doing here, I'm taking regular spray paint. I don't know where my mind was at. It's regular spray paint, and I'm going over the colors. And what I love about these foam flowers I actually found at a discount store, they really hold well to spray paint. And so they were pink, and I wasn't going to use them for pink anymore. So I was like, you know what? Let me not throw these away. Let me pull them off the board, and let me just see if the spray paint will actually hold. And it did. So I did like maybe 3 or 4 coats on each flower. And I really didn't go, because they were foam, they were soaking up the paint. But at the same time, I loved the way it came out, because it really did absorb the color that I was looking for. And I was looking for that blue, but I love that the pink still showed through some of the flowers. I thought it was really, really cute, and it saved me so much money instead of buying, like, you know, a wall decor piece. Now, spraying the flowers, I didn't cover them with any type of acrylic or Mod Podge or anything. I just literally went in and just started spraying the flowers just to see what else I would need to do. And here's a really good close-up of what the foam flowers look like before and after about several coats. Now, some of the flowers I had to paint, I painted white because, of course, I wanted some white on the wall installation. And some of them were actually silk material flowers, so they took a different adherence to certain different sprays. I also had these decals from Dollar Tree and some lights from Dollar Tree. Of course, I took off the blue and red stars. We didn't need those. So as you see, this is my headboard, and it is a very high headboard, but there's also so much space because I have high ceilings that I always need to have something above my bed just to, you know, make it look nice, of course, but to fill up the space in my room. So I'm literally just using some double-sided tape to stick to the wall and add the flowers. There are times where I had to put like maybe a small nail just to make sure that the biggest flowers really did stay attached to the wall. Now, I added the Faith Over Mountains vinyl sticker from Dollar Tree, and literally I spent $1 plus the white spray paint and the blue spray paint, which was about $10. So I made this wall installation for about $11. Now, I added light to it because at night, you know, you want to light it up and just make it look really, really cute and sexy, and I loved it. And this is the way my bedroom looked for the majority of the summer. It was blue and white, and I actually loved it because it was calming, it was relaxing, and for summer, I wanted it to be light and airy and spacious, and this was just awesome, guys. So I never want you to throw away your old flowers, your fake flowers. I want you to repurpose them, as you see me doing with like my curtain rings, or, you know, flowers this big. So never throw away anything that you can repurpose. You can spray paint, because that really saves you a lot. Like, that saves you a hell of a lot. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you in some way to repurpose and shop the items that you already have. I mean, we've been on quarantine for a while now, since March, and that really got me thinking about things that I can use in my home. So thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. LifestyleDIYW.